Guys, in this video I am doing a subscriber request and I'm using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. It's a nice gorgeous palette of corals and golds and yellows and it's pretty wearable. It's a little pop of color, not super bright and in your face like it could be, like I've done before. It's kind of more of an in-between look, honestly. It's sort of bright, it's a little pop of coral. If you would like to see a little more neutral version using this palette, let me know. If a more dramatic version, also let me know for that. Stay tuned for the look. So I filled in my brows already. Now I'm going to take cream color, or cream highlight in medium actually, and I'm going to clean up the bottom of the brow just using this angled brush. And then I'm blending it downwards. Now, taking my finger and blending it out even more. Now, I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. This is going as my eyeshadow base all over the eye. It's probably way too much. I always do that. A little, just dab it or spread it after you dab it all over the eye area. Today I'm using, per one of my subscribers' request, the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. And it's this gorgeous palette of corals and golds. I'm going to, I think I might do kind of an in-between look, so color and neutral. Let's see, what am I doing today? First I need to clean my brushes. I kind of have an idea what I want to do though, so that's good. I'm starting off actually. I had a brow highlight, but I see it nowhere. I'm actually going to take this color out of the California Love palette from ColourPop. I'm taking this highlight color right here for my brows. It's this matte highlight. I'm going to do that first. It's going to make blending a lot easier later. Now moving on to my Coral Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I'm going to take this warm brown in the crease right here. This one. And I want a light wash of color, so I'm taking a MAC 224. I still want it to be a little dark, so this may or may not work. We'll see. But I want to go directly into the crease with it, directly, and blend it upwards. Do the same to the other eye. Moving on to my lids, I'm going to take this buttery yellow color right here in the palette. I think. Yes, we're gonna use that. I'm taking this flat brush. It's a flat, stiff brush. I'm applying this into my tear duct and inner corner. On both eyes. I'm also gonna apply it in the inner bottom. The middle of the eyelid, I'm taking something else. I'm gonna use this shimmery one right here at the bottom right. Yeah, I know it's not focused, so you need to focus. I'm taking this one right here, using a MAC 222. It's a little fluffy, but it's a little stiff too. This is going in the center. I think it'll work better if I brush it. So just brush it. This isn't working how I want. I'm switching brushes now. I'm gonna take another. I'm taking that same flat brush actually I used for the yellow. I'm gonna flip it or apply the yellow back again because it kind of swooped away. Flipping it over now and taking that color I showed you for the middle, and I'm gonna pack it on to both eyes. For the outer V, I'm taking this. What am I gonna use? I'm gonna take this color right here at the top middle. That one right there. I'm using an e.l.f. contour brush. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow again. Kind of swooped away. And pack. And I'm going back in with the crease color again. On the 224, this one. If you forgot, this color right here. Taking that in the crease. That's a bump. Pop. It won't pop. Okay, screw it. I'm a popaholic, if you didn't know that. They even leave the bottom bare, I think. But I am gonna bring this down a little bit with some more brown highlight. For the bottom, actually, I think I'm gonna take brown. Let's do that. Or actually, it's like a more of a burgundy, I guess. I'm gonna take Alkaline 24/7 Glide On Pencil from Urban Decay. You can use whatever you want. I like this color. It's super soft and it's gonna look perfect with this current eye makeup situation. Over it, I'm taking an e.l.f. smudge brush and I'm going to just smudge it out actually. I'm not gonna put anything over it. Don't want to get rid of that color. I'm gonna take some more just to make, oh no, I hate when I do that. I'm gonna take a little more just so it's a little more perfect and just smudge it out before it sets. In the inner tear duct area, I'm gonna use the same brush actually, and I'm going to take this lighter color here, the inner bottom. Take that one. It's gonna be a nice little brightness in there. Look how pretty that looks. Hopefully y'all were able to see that. So my camera's kind of high today. Sorry. For now, I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40 and a concealer brush to blend it out. This is from Sedona Lace. This is a 312. Yeah, I'm gonna skip eyeliner. I'm not really feeling it today. I'm gonna take some mascara though. The Pure Fully Charged Mascara. And I applied a little more mascara than normal because I think I'm going to go lashless today. No lashes. I don't think. Actually, I have to. I'm gonna take the Cherry Blossom. Well, they're from Cherry Blossom, but wispies are wispies, okay? These are wispies. You can get it from Ardell, Red Cherry, Cherry Blossom, Amazon, wherever. They're the same. I'm gonna apply these because I can't skip lashes. You don't have to necessarily wear them if you don't like. It's totally up to you. Because I'm doing a photo shoot. I'm headed to a photo shoot after this. I want to do lashes. I'm going as close as possible. So it's pretty darn good. Let's do the other. I think these are good. They just need to dry. Yeah, they just need to dry. Let's move on. Moving on to foundation. I'm taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Marquise's. I'm literally doing one pump this time because last time I did way too much. I'm taking this pointed foundation brush. Oop, sorry. I just blocked y'all all the way. I'm gonna take some blush. This is the Jordana Colors Tint Blush Stick in Peach Nectar. I've been using this like crazy lately and it's awesome. I think I'm gonna do highlight first. I always do that. I'm gonna do highlight first. This is Wisp Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop. Just taking this cheap old angled brush, no name, and it's cheap. Now I'm gonna take that blush, if I can find it. Where did I just put it? I just added. Okay, this is crazy. Where's the blush? Okay, I'm gonna take the blush. On a Bare Minimum's angled face brush. You can literally build it up to where you want it. That's what I like about it. I'm gonna take a lip color. But first, I need to hydrate my lips because they're super dry. And then take my Pumpkin Cheesecake Skin Fix Lip Repair Balm. It's a good primer, lip balm. Same thing. Well, not really, but it works for both. As long as you don't put it on too thick. I was gonna do neutral lips, but I've been doing that for a long time and I'm over it. Gonna take the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Wasted. It's a nice berry burgundy plum color. feeling myself. Hope you guys enjoyed this look using the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. If you have any other requests for makeup tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to subscribe if you have not, and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. All you have to do is just click the bell. You'll see whenever I post a new video on here. I will talk to all of you next time. Thank you for watching.